Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter like this, Yazio. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about Yazio app. And here if you want update you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.